Hello, friends. Happy Thursday to all of you. White House officials have announced that President Biden will finally be taking huge steps this month. This is to address the cost of living for all Americans. Officials have also agreed to provide $600 stimulus checks to hundreds of thousands of low-income households. So, my friends, please make sure you watch until the end of this video to find out if you are eligible to receive a $600 payment. I will also be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card 4 days a week. If you would like to enter these giveaways, please make sure that you click and like several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more videos that you comment on with the keyword, the greater your chance of winning the Walmart gift card.
So I'll say this. The president understands what the American people are going through. He understands that gas prices are high because of Putin's tax hike, because of the war that the brutal war that Putin has taken on in Ukraine, and their brave fight to fight for their democracy. That's what we're seeing here. And also the food insecurity, the food cost has skyrocketed, and that's why the president has done everything that he can to blunt those high prices. That's why he's tapped into the Strategic Petroleum Reserve. We saw a historic amount of barrels coming out a day, 1 million a day. That's why he is doing the homegrown biofuels, the ethanol 15, making that available this summer, which is not normally available this summer, so that we can try and bring down those costs. And that's why he's going to continue to work to make sure we lower those costs. Look, but again, we understand what the American people are feeling. We're doing everything that we can. We have a plan. Here's the thing. We have a plan. Republicans do not have a plan. What they want to do is take away rights from the American people.
But do you think it's possible that your plan just is not popular with the American people right now?
I don't think it's that our plan is not popular with the American people. We know that the American people are feeling the high cost. We understand what they are feeling because when you look at inflation, when we look at where we are economically, and we are stronger economically than we have been in history. When you look at the unemployment numbers at 3.6%, when you look at the jobs numbers, more than 8.7 million.
We have some breaking news from the White House today. During an interview with Bloomberg, White House Director of the National Economic Council, Brian Deese, stated that President Biden is doing everything he possibly can to combat high gas prices. Brian Deese also added, "We have to act, and we have to show action on behalf of the American people." That is exactly what the president is doing. He's saying bringing prices down is his top priority, and every day he is focused on practical things that he can do. Deese referenced the Biden administration's release of America's strategic oil reserves as evidence that the president is doing everything in his power to fight high gas prices. He also stated, "So the release of oil from the Strategic Petroleum Reserve sounds esoteric to people, but oil market analysis you've had on this show will say it was single-handedly responsible for keeping oil prices from going higher." President Biden recently blamed individual gas stations for the high price of gasoline, but Brian Deese also noted that Biden called for a gas tax holiday in his defense. Many people have criticized the proposed gas tax holiday as ineffective in bringing down prices, given that such tax relief would increase demand and hence prices. Deese also told Bloomberg, "You need a president who's going to keep at it and who's going to communicate clear to the American people that we are making progress, that we have made enormous economic progress, but that he is not satisfied and we will stay at it." President Biden's approval rating has floundered in multiple polls amid Democratic doubts about his 2024 prospects. Biden's approval has sunk down to 39%, with 47% strongly disapproving of the president. According to a new USA Today poll, only 16% of Americans strongly approve of the president. The poll also showed a major disparity between Americans who think that the country is on the right track versus the wrong track, with a whopping 71% thinking that the U.S. is on the wrong track. 46% of Democrats also believe that the U.S. is not headed in the right direction. Additionally, Americans were split 40% to 40% on whether they'd vote for a Republican or Democrat to go to the halls of Congress if the elections were held today. So, dear friends, tell me how you think the Biden administration is doing so far. Please let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. A tax credit aimed at giving a tax break to people with low to moderate incomes is also giving eligible residents of Oregon several hundreds of dollars over the next week or so. If you qualified for an earned income tax credit on your 2020 taxes and you were living in Oregon at that time, you might want to watch your bank account or mailbox a little closely in the next coming days. And that's thanks to a state law passed earlier this year. Lower income Oregon households that received a tax credit in 2020 will soon receive $600 by direct deposit or mailed paper check. The Oregon Department of Revenue estimates that about 236,000 qualifying households will receive payments in about a week or so. The Department of Revenue said in a statement describing the payments that all direct deposits will be made and the checks will be mailed by this month. In passing the House bill, Oregon lawmakers mandated the money to be paid out by the end of July 2022. According to the Oregon Bureau of Labor and Industries, to qualify for this credit, taxpayers have to fit certain income limits. For instance, a family with 2 children would have to earn no more than $53,865 a year. Friends, the keyword for this video is Moosehead Lake. If you would like to enter tomorrow's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos and then comment below this keyword, which is Moosehead Lake, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And do make sure that you're also subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, friends. Oregon lawmakers approved spending the money out of federal crisis aid funds approved by Congress in 2021. A spokesperson with Oregon Governor Kate Brown said that the governor was pleased to sign the payment legislation to help out residents of Oregon in need. Well, my awesome and fabulous friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so very, very much for joining me here today. I truly appreciate every single one of you who are watching my videos. Remember, dear friends, that the next giveaway is scheduled for tomorrow, so please stay tuned for that video. Thank you so much, friends, and have a wonderful and blessed Thursday.